G'day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby.
This is not cultural appropriation. My name is Heidi.
To my Aussie friends, oi, oi, oi. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, this is our CT Club member questions. If you want to check us out below, the link is below. You can get our trade alerts, and you can submit questions that we'll answer on YouTube.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get into it.
Okay, so here's today's question. What is your opinion on how NFTs, specifically gaming NFTs, will hold up in the bear market? It is all new, of course, but touch on liquidity and price stability as the end approaches. Thanks, and keep up the good work. Sorry, one thing I do want to say, to get this out here, we've been talking about bear markets lately, and so many people are like, bear market? Are we in a bear market? This is, as always, our channel. We're always trying to get you guys to think proactively, and we all know we're in a bull run now. We all know we're in a bull market. You need to start making moves now, or at least start making your plan for how to prepare for a bear market, because that's how you set yourself up for the next cycle.
I mean, this is not financial advice. This is all for educational purposes.
Yes, of course.
Anyways,
okay.
So you're going to be really surprised at my answer on this.
Oh, no.
Because there's a lot of people that think, yeah, the metaverse coins, they're just going to keep going forever.
Yeah.
They're going to get absolutely obliterated, slaughtered. There's going to be blood and guts all over the streets, and it's going to be disgusting. Like, there's going to be so many people crying like little babies to sleep. Their wives are going to be like, oh my gosh, did I marry another woman, or what the heck, you know? So
is that what I'm going to be thinking?
Yeah, like these guys, that think that they're going to freaking be killing it in a bear market holding their NFTs.
Yeah.
They got another thing coming. They're going to get so slaughtered. They're going to probably drop 90 to 95%. Most of them aren't even going to survive. So that's why I'm going to tell our CT Club members when I'm getting out. And I'm going to get out near the top. You can take that to the bank. Anyways.
To your Bitcoin wallet.
Was that offensive enough? Good.
To your own bank. No, so that's fine. No, so this concept that NFTs and gaming NFTs are going to be immune to a bear market is irrational, and it's a symptom of too much hopium. Granted, a lot of people I think might be thinking that because even during this bull market, this large trend that we have that is bullish for the past year and a half plus, when the metaverse and NFTs are really kicking off, they historically during this phase have performed pretty well during the dips. Either they recovered quickly or they didn't dip as low as others. So a little bit of an outlier, but to think that would also hold up in a huge trend change into a bear market is not being very good investment insight, in my opinion. You have to be prepared for that situation.
It's going to be fun to watch.
He's asking about, liquidity and price stability. Price stability, also something to pay attention to is that NFTs, this is like the first time they're really out and about in the market, right? And with a lot of people investing in them. So we don't have any historical data to lean on to see how they're going to perform during a bear market.
Kind of we do.
What? The crypto
We
funds?
dropped 56% in a bull market. What do you think is going to happen during a bear market when the liquidity goes?
But how did the NFTs? Did they also dip in price?
Oh,
like
yeah,
these
a lot of them got obliterated.
Bored Apes and all those guys, did they drop in value?
Yeah, a lot of them got
okay. But also, liquidity notoriously also drops off a cliff during a bear market. So to think that you would be able to sell your NFTs at the price that you would like, there's just not a buyer's market like there is during a bull run. It's not the same crowd. And I am encouraging you to wrap your head around that new reality you're going to be in. Is like everyone's going to be thinking crypto is dead. Everyone's going to be panicking, trying to sell their own NFTs, not trying to buy yours unless, they have some foresight, they have some insider knowledge, and they're going to be thinking that they're buying yours at a discount. So
I would encourage everybody here, if you find a YouTuber or some guy that you really like or some popular guy that's saying, hey, NFTs are going to do great during a bear market, you should literally unfollow them right now. They have no idea what they're talking about. This is my third bull run. This will be my third bear market when it comes up. I know what happens. And if this is your first time like in crypto and you're like, oh, that sounds pretty harsh. You haven't seen anything yet. Like
We're not
with
as
a bear
harsh as
market.
bear market in crypto.
No,
That's
no,
for sure.
it's ruthless. Like
Yeah.
you're going to get dumped on so fast. That is why we are going to be dollar cost averaging out on the way up. I have some price targets that I am going to probably stick with.
Yep.
And that's when I'm going to start getting out of metaverse. If I miss another 20%, 30%, I couldn't care less.
Yeah.
Because my price target, we've already made so much. Like
That's the benefit of buying early during an accumulation phase or at the very start of a bull market is that you can easily afford to, not have the greed and easily miss out on 20% and not cry about it because you've made whatever bigger percent.
Yeah,
anyway.
Exactly. And so my encouragement is like, if it does go up, even like 200% above what you sold it from, and say for instance something is $100 now, and then you sell it at 150, but then it goes to like 300. You shouldn't cry about the lost opportunity cost on that because you made a lot of money. Like this isn't a normal market, guys. This is crypto. Like there's very few places on earth where you can make a 10x, like that.
Yeah.
So, take advantage of it while you can. You're never going to call the top, and you're also never going to call the bottom, but you can kind of figure out near it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyways.
Especially over time, it's going to be easier for you to call those.
Exactly. That's all we have today. Please like, subscribe, and also check us out on our CT Club, where we can give trade alerts and my market updates, and also you can submit some questions.
Yeah.
Anyways, talk to you soon.
See you
Bye-bye.
guys.